back to day 4 and I'm excited. Are you excited? Yeah, but yesterday we forgot to tell where we are. So we're in my sister's house and we're in her kitchen. So we're going to do my Lego City advent calendar in this kitchen. So let's find number 4. Up here. We got this person. Who is he? Let's see. Let's just get this going like this. Let's get this going. So I have done this. Put the head on, but it's still wrong. This is just like day 2. Making doing a person. It's fun. I like making people. It's really fun. Now I've got to spit. I got a spear again, like yesterday. I'm gonna put it in his hand. You see here. He's going all done for you to see. Yesterday I got this speaker and this microphone, and then we got this girl, didn't we? And then we got these 2 here. I like my advent calendar because when I got her, the next day I got a microphone with this speaker. That's why I like my Lego City advent calendar, and I love all of it. I love all of my Lego City advent calendar. These 2 are rock stars, and they both go on the sleigh. If I get another person, that's a rock star. And if I get loads of persons, they're rock stars. We're gonna do a quick show, okay? Okay. Let me just take this in. Let me just turn. Say hello. Hello. Keep your hand in lamps because I will be walking off the stage anyway. Rapunzel is going to say my words out of my Christmas concert. So, we're ready and I'm going. It got closer and closer. There was a whirl of wings and a loud voice boomed down from the sky. Time for you, it's your turn. It's time to do a song. Singing, singing in the sky, putting our wings out as we fly. Glory to God on high, Jesus is born. That one. Jubilations, praise and sing, wonderful to you we bring. Glory to God on high, Jesus is born. Okay, this is my character from today, and I hope you enjoyed today. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. Bye, guys.